How to make an event on your Wix website. So I am inside your website editor, and here we are going to use the search bar by clicking on it and searching for event. It will show us this: events, create events, sell tickets, collect RSVPs, and basically we gotta click on this icon here, or events itself, and click on get started. So first will tell us that we have to add the event manager to our Wix website so we can customize our registration form, view and manage guest list, promote events with email marketing, and checking guests on the Wix app. So we're gonna click on add to site here, and we're going to wait for a little bit of time. Okay, so it looks like this now. We can add some images and we can customize the form. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Just let it or give it some time to integrate. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now if we click on here, then we have the option to manage event, display events. So let's see what happens when we click on manage event first. So we can create a new event. So we can create, we've read this. So if we click on add new event here, we can do ticketed event. I'm going to leave it as it is. So event name, I'm going to do Ned Meetup. Short teaser, this is optional. And we can also add an event image here by clicking on this plus icon. So event category, we have to type out here. So categories to organize the event can be connected up to 10 categories. So I'm going to do meetup. See if anything pops up. Okay, if I press enter, it just completely adds it. So here we have to set the date and time. I will leave it as it is, and we can also display the event and date and time or not. And we can also show the time zone by clicking on this button here. Physical location, online or to be decided, TBD. I'm going to do online. And here you can type out virtual center webinar online conference, and about the event here is where you actually add all of your information. So I'm going to do create an event. Okay, so we have to type out. So I'm going to do virtual event. And we just clicked on create. So draft event created, continue setting up your event. All right, so here we can now add tickets. So if we go to the tickets page here, we can create a ticket for our event. So it will show us some example names here for the tickets. So early bird, VIP, I'm going to do VIP. The description itself is optional, and here you will be able to see a preview of your ticket, so QR code and everything. You can design it as well. So fixed price, price options, pay what you want, or free. I'm going to do fixed price, and here's where you actually set the price for your ticket. So let's do $100 US. You can change the currency here. So I'm going to do USD, US dollar. All right, 100. Let's go. Now unlimited number of tickets, or if you have a limited supply, you will type out the quantity here. For example, only 50. Ticket fee, pass fee onto the buyer, and absorb fee. So if you want them to pay exactly what you see here, then you will choose this option. And ticket policy, here you will type out what they need to present, and you can also set a ticket sale period. So if you want to add a flash sale, for example, here we will do the date and the time, and basically after we have done this, we will click on create ticket here, and we will have successfully created tickets for our event as well. And we can play around with these different settings here. We can change the currency, we can do taxes, and that's basically it. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.